ready to come on, come on, come on. Come on, touch the basket with your device. Y'all know how we give. Oh, come to my shit. Yeah, God, you gonna do it. You gonna do it. You gonna do it. Yeah, God, yeah, God, yeah, God. Gotta get it. You better dance on it, honey. You better dance, Miss Lady. Look at somebody on your road and tell them it's happening on my road. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen on our road. Yes! You better dance, honey. Dance, dance. Get your victory. Why y'all looking? You ought to be claiming everything for your house. Y'all do me a favor. Touch somebody in front of you and tell them you getting ready to get a blessing. You getting ready. Yes, you are. Don't you worry about it. You getting ready to get something. You better dance, honey. It's getting ready to happen. Come out! Woo! Y'all need to open up your mouth and make a declaration. Something's gonna happen this week. Breakthrough gonna come in this week. Yes, God. Woo! The Lord showed me last night. Alonzo, lift your hands. The Lord, lift both of your hands. The Lord showed me your face last night. And I told him also, I said, or either Travis, I see another opening coming for you. When I tell you, Alonzo, you are getting ready to have a total change in your name, in your status, on your job. I need all of y'all to yell at Alonzo and say, the name change is coming. Your position is gonna change. Y'all, come on, say it again. Your position gonna change. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah.